Okay guys, some more ladies underwear. Box of matches. Oh, is that a ring? What's it say? It's plastic. In the garbage. In the underwear it goes. What's this? I don't know what this is, guys. So we got this, a couple things, a pair of glasses. That's missing the whole thing. There's probably reading glasses. There's a little thing for reading glasses. What else is in here? Ball type of thing. Fidget spinner that looks like it's this shot doesn't even turn, guys. It's all rusted. Okay. But you never know what you find in the nitty-gritty. Okay, the matches. It's hard to keep this. Oh, we got dice. Some kind of dice right there. Plastic. Not really seeing any jewelry. Oh wait, there's a side pouch. There's a side pouch, guys. Hold on. What's this? It's another phone. Another phone right here, guys. Bottle caps. That'll be the third phone. The third phone that's busted. This looks like an Apple. Al Corel. Not sure. It does. It kind of looks like an Apple, but it's not. It's just an Al Corel, an old type of phone. Yeah, in here though. What is all this? I believe this guy passed away. This is the remains of whatever. Okay guys, before the battery dies, so look at this stuff here. Is a key, bottle cap, a shell. Real quick, see if anything else. No way, no way. Half a ring, what? Penny. Half a ring, guys? This don't make sense. Freaking gold right there, guys. There's a piece missing. Hopefully this is the piece that says it's 14 karat gold, okay? And I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna make sure that part isn't in here. And check this pocket really good, guys. So looks like it's all the way out. There you have it, guys. I'm gonna check this over real good. Alright guys, we've got a piece of sterling. I'm not sure what kind of stone that is. Looks like a black onyx or something like that. It does say sterling. And, part of the sterling is missing, so it says ling on there. GoPro's never gonna make that out. I need a right where it's broke says ling, comes out ling. Hard to see, I know. I'd like to find the other piece, but hey, I'll take some silver, guys. Not bad. $60 cash. We got some silver. Still more stuff, guys, I gotta go through. We don't know what this is. I'm not sure if that's magnetic or whatever. We don't know. Some stone right here. There's something here. I don't know what this is. So I gotta go through this. There's something here. It's girl's name. Something in the corner here, guys. Hold on. A wrapper? Yeah, it's just a wrapper. It does say somebody's name. And let's check out this purse here, guys. Who knows what's in here? Who knows what's here? Checking the deep pockets there. Thought maybe the other part of that ring would be here, but I don't know what that is, guys. It looks like some chewing gum or something there. Not really sure. Well, let's take a closer look at what we got here. An elephant, which I don't want. Papers, get rid of all paper. So we got some charm bracelet here, guys. This could also be maybe some silver. Not sure. Not really sure. Check that out later. Got a couple things here. There was some writing on this, guys. I'm looking at the back left side. Looks like maybe some writing. So that's gonna come in the magnifying glass. We got some coins. You make the difference. You make the difference. Become who makes the difference. Metal coin. Now this, guys, I have no idea what this is. Could be silver. There is something down at the bottom there. I don't know what that says. We're gonna have to check this out. So we're gonna check that out. Okay, we got a silver. I'm gonna put that in with the rest of my stuff. I thought it was gold, guys, but I saw sterling. And I gotta check this too as well. See if any of this is silver. Got a couple things to open up here. Just gonna go through this. $3 voucher. Cards. Cards. No cash. No cash. No cash. Okay. Okay. No cash. Open it up. Probably just medicine in this bag, guys. I don't know. Okay, that's for like pills. We don't want nothing to do with any of that. There's some mystery thing in this bag, guys. We gotta open it up and take a look. Okay, I don't think it's teeth. Oh. I have angel in heaven. I call them mom and dad. Okay, that's pretty cool, guys. Okay. Get rid of that. We got this here, this charger. It's an angel, I believe. Cord looks decent. It's a good charging device for my phone anyway. So this is what we're left with here, guys. So a couple cards, trash, no good. Somebody's phone book, no good for me. Okay, well, hold on to a couple of things here just in case they call. We got a cell phone, guys. This we could probably throw out. And the shirt, we can toss that somewhere. Got a full garbage can of stuff. We got all this stuff yet to go through. Some stuff up. Oh yeah, I want to check out that stuff up front, guys. Oh, we got all this baseball stuff, guys, as well. So I'm gonna have to go through all this. It's just so much time there. And this, there's a bunch of stuff in this bin we gotta go through. So just time is everything, right? So we got all these DVDs. We got a movie case, guys. Absolutely. Nothing at all in it. Movie camera with no camera, so kind of screwed there. Missing a shoe. Missing a shoe goes there. Somebody's underwears, guys. Some ladies' underwears. I tell you, it's not easy. Dealing with some of this stuff. Book of Blood. Stephen King. Night Flyer. We got Tom Knockers. So a whole bunch of DVDs, guys. What's this? Oh, we got the Hulk? No way. Incredible Hulk 2-pack series, guys. Hieroglyphic. How cool is that? Might go to my collection. I gotta see. Bunch of DVDs in here. Not really gonna go through them now. We got the Yamaha bike right here, guys. The little fender. Yamaha. Okay. More stuff I have to go through. All these bags. Bags of stuff. That has to be done. I have no idea what this stuff is. Looks like trash. We'll go through some of this. Oh boy. Baby clothes. I thought this bicycle was a little bit bigger, guys, but I gotta go through this bag as well, so more baby clothes. I didn't want to go through this with you guys as well, so. Wow, incredible Hulk, huh, guys? It's pretty cool. Oh. Alright, guys, phone case. 04 Zippo lighter. It's an actual Zippo, so this could be worth 20 bucks, $30, we don't know until I get it checked out somewhere. Have another Steno lighter here. Steno, whatever that is, I don't know. Split rock. Doesn't look like nothing too major in here. Another penny that I gotta add to the collection. Dolphins thing. Got a couple of these game things here. A couple of these. Oh, is that money stuck on that magnet? Oh, that's a 1 cent, guys. Steel, 1 cent. Watch this magnet. It's a steel 1 cent. That's pretty cool. I'll put that in the pocket. Alright, yeah, I don't see nothing else too great in here. I thought maybe that missing piece. But this is a really good find, guys. This Zippo lighter's coming with me. We got another cell phone. Put some of this stuff in here, actually. Keys and stuff like that. Okay, power cords, phone case. Alright, gotta pick this stuff up, put that away. What's that in here? Oh, I see. Baby bottles. So I'm not gonna hold on to baby clothing. It's just baby clothing. Okay. Alright. This will go back into the van. I do have this. The whole thing here. Trash. Okay. Well, looking at this, guys, it looks like it's all food. Sponge or something. Wipes, more of that. Looks like some kind of freaking brush. Some scrap. Some more scrap. Look at the size of this spoon, guys. Getting too dark. It's like Oneida. We'll hold on to that. I'm gonna hold on to these spoons. I think they're Oneida spoons, sponges. Okay. What I'm seeing here, guys, is spoons and stuff like that. I'll check them out. They're no good. I'll throw them in the scrap. I mean no good, like silver. That's all gone, guys. Handful of silverware. I gotta check out. So. Shoot, it's getting cold, guys, so I'm gonna wrap this. We have to wrap this up. This is gonna be the last of it, guys. I think it's gonna be the last of it, but we don't know. I don't know what these are. some polish. The wife might want some keys, could be brass. Got a little thing here, could be silver. I'm gonna have to check that. Paper. It's another piece of jewelry. I'm gonna have to check that, make sure it's silver or not silver. So that. Oh, what's this? Notes. And we got some kind of doodad hair eyelash thing that could be actually scrap metal. Notes, pens. See if the wife wants any of this. Let's see what else we got in there, guys. Any secret pockets. Confidence never goes out of style. Actually, we can put this in the laundry. Goodwill. Here's a look at that bike, guys. Thanks for watching. We got a freaking Yamaha here in the van. And we got the Hulk. Bill Bixby right here, guys. An incredible Hulk right here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.